Yeah, check his ass, fool. He gonna say the ATL shit for real though. No, he's
shit, what the fuck? We got Mr. Williams, Mr. Rogers,
Niggas gotta fix it.
Niggas gotta fix what they break. You reap what you sow.
QP ski. I love.
Open up some more. You think?
Yeah. That's doing the straight line. Yeah.
I mean, it don't matter.
It don't damn matter.
Who looking for under the couch?
The real question is,
What's up with that?
will the parents find out?
If we fix it correctly,
Even if they do find out, I mean, shit, I'm gonna be like, it was already halfway broke, isn't it? Nah, I don't live here.
it kind of
Huh?
it feel like a little bit of a sabotage.
But just saying, I mean, you could did that sober.
Yeah. I guess we're too old to be horsing around anyway, though.
Yeah. I mean, it was drunk, but
Maybe too damn big as well. Yeah, fucking D1's fucking.
230.
Beer 230 is crazy.
Yeah, that's a bad idea. Can you paying to that guy? Paying to that guy?
I speared you.
He speared 200 on the chair,
And then
but I guess 30 more pounds is not gonna cut it.
yeah.
Well, you can't flip it. Don't.
My fault, cuz. Nigga, don't tell the cameraman what to do, nigga.
Nigga, I'll pay you, nigga.
Oh,
Whoa,
shit.
nigga, I'll pay you.
Oh, shit. My fault, cuz. My fault. My fault. My fault, niggas.
Can you show me right here? So my plan is, I seen a YouTube video. We just dismantle all this shit and then we put it right back together.
Yeah.
With the new piece of wood.
That's right.
So this is the problem right here. I don't know if y'all can get the look. That beam right there is broken on this one. So all we have to do is all we have to do. I don't know the
Fucking,
damn word. I don't read books. Fucking redo it. Hey, nigga,
I think this will
put
be.
that one right here. And the couch is back.
I think this is what we call in America autism.
Let's get it done.
My fault. I thought that
Talking
was.
out of time.
Cameraman.
Oh,
Cameraman.
Cameraman,
Come on,
hand that
Tyler.
to me.
You
Hand that to
bullshit.
me. That's a fake cut. That's exactly what happened. Well, it's on the table, but I don't know what I'm doing. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna be here till they fix it. So, yeah. So this is the dilemma.
Give me a marker. Marker.
Hey, damn it! Do something, guy. God damn.
No.
Okay, I'm making a hole there, and where was it? Dude, all right, where's my damn backpack? Fuck, I had a damn. So this is what happened. We learned how to. Well, not we. This guy. This Caleb Rogers learned how to take this out and put it into our new piece of wood, which we need to connect to the springs.
yeah, now we need some damn glass.
What are you cutting?
The edge of this wood.
Definitely need glasses.
This?
Yeah,
Fuck your
What you cutting that for?
because we need to insert our new piece of wood.
Shit, damn near.
Man, y'all don't need to be playing with that shit. That's not shit to play with.
I'm not playing with it.
I know, I'm just letting you know.
Need glasses though.
Nah, you don't need no glass. You
Hey,
just
yeah, you
straight.
do. When you messing with fucking wood.
We just don't know.
He'll be alright.
Get that shit right there.
Good. Alright.
Too far from here, just case. Nigga, yeah, we don't want to go too. We don't want to cut them too short.
Oh, I see what you're
Cut them
saying.
too short,
Yeah.
and then we like we're fucked. So,
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Don't you need a motherfucking what's the name for glasses too?
I died.
What are you doing? Oh shit, I don't know. Why? I just tried to say what are you doing like I know what I'm doing. Don't you need glasses?
I put some glasses on.
Yeah, bro. Hell yeah, fam. I got some glasses in my car. They some motherfucking double nose, but well, you gonna be able to see? Yeah.
I know what I'm doing. I got you. I really need that.
You taking construction class for it?
Yeah.
Man, you came in clutch. You came in clutch as shit. You took construction class? You not even South for real?
Hell nah. This my mama boyfriend stuff. I just borrowed that hoe. Really like stole that hoe. This shit funny, cuz.
Hell yeah, cause this shit live as hell.
Hey, round of a hand for this cat, right? Huh? Round of the cat.
That was fucking good. Right on the fucking line. You don't see no black on there or right here. Right on. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Shout out overtime.
Hell no.
Alright, so fortunately here's the link. We upon arrival to Home Depot, I didn't cop enough. I need to screw this beam into place here, and in order to do that, oh shit, we need longer screws. But I don't even know. Oh, I'm sorry. I got scared because I got thought fucked up. We're gonna screw it into that base actually, and with some skinny screws. I'm about to take a road trip to Walmart, pay into my Walmart crew, and that's what we're gonna do. All right. You see where we at, nigga? Come talk with me. We at our, like, I don't know where y'all staying shit, but our South Haven Walmart. Say you got like 2 Walmarts in your town, and one of them a little ghetto. This still not super ghetto, but it's this our ghetto one compared to the other one. I don't even know how I got like this because this is a nice ass town, but shit, it got like this somehow. Like a motherfucker. You can look it up. A nigga like shot his coworkers at this hole and shit like that. But I'll bring y'all back when I get the nails. 2 inches is scaring me. He made it too small. This is 3. So it's two, we need 2.5.
Like 2.5. Wasn't she grabbing 2.5?
Right here, 2.5. Let me see what they look like. It's alright, this straight this shit. We can. Hell yeah.
Why you don't do the 2 and?
Yeah, these good.
Yeah,
it's perfect. Hell yeah. Yeah. This is a pickup right here. You know what I'm saying? And he has the man behind the camera has a very genius idea. And if it comes into fruition, we may start a business.
Hey, that shit was funny, young nigga.
Dude, he tried to yell at chickens, man. He gonna say the ATL shit for real though.
Well, shit, what the fuck?
Oh God, I just heard.
Yo.
You're not playing this shit. Playing this shit. You bullshit.
This damn gun ain't gonna play.
We're gonna take a break and go to the pool and shit like that. Right now, I do feel defeated, but this shit gotta get fixed because
Niggas ain't no shit.
I ain't paying for no new couch. Dude, what's down? So I didn't even, in the morning, check me out. Stayed out at the pool when I said we were going to the pool. Stayed out to the pool till like 5 a.m. Nah, I mean, I'm tripping, like 3 a.m. But then these niggas took us on 3 Dixie Queen runs because 2 of them was just selling burgers. So we didn't get back to my friend's house till about 4 a.m. And we was tired, so we were like, we just gonna do the couch in the morning. So we woke up at like 9 in the morning because we had to get some more screws anyway to drill in them little metal things y'all saw on the wood. And once we did that, I wish I would have recorded, but we were struggling for a little hour or so in the morning, tired. Then hold on y'all. Then after that, we got it in there. We attached the springs. For our first attempt attaching the springs, it snapped on like the 4th spring. So we came back and tried to stabilize it some more, and we did. So then once we did that, once we flipped it back over and like put the couch on the ground, it all snapped right back out of place. So we ended up not fixing the couch, but we called the parents. They didn't even care anyway. So I just wasted $18 on, I don't know, just having a new experience in life, I guess. Hey, it was fun though. It was fun. But it was a waste of time at the same time. But alright, man, I'm gonna catch y'all next vlog.
When it's by that bread and butter. The kill for clout, I put that on my dad.